Okay, you can start now.
Okay, we continue the presentation. Now, this mechanism for machine base, where we can define all the IPs for all the machines. System utility will get the data and it log the time and date for last successful run column. It means the machine has last successfully got the data, which date and which time, and next which time it will get again the data. The second column records fetch up to. This column is showing the next available time and date when the data will be get this machine. If I want to get the previous data, I can change date and time for record fetch up to column. I can write here the previous date and the time. The utility will go in the machine and get the all the data with this related with this date till now, and it will get again and it will integrate with our HCM system.
So this is actually basically showing that we have fetch record up to this date and time and second.
Yes.
And now
This is
next
the
it
last
will
attendance
fetch from
record,
that
actually.
point. It is the last which you successfully fetched.
Yes.
Last. Yes, exactly. Last successfully fetch time and date.
This is the attendance date and time. The second column record
Time and second one.
Yeah, the record a fetch up to. This is the last attendance date and time. It means for example currently this is the 3:45 p.m. and machine doesn't have the attendance of 3:45. The last attendance was marked at 2 p.m. So it means the system will show the 2 p.m. here until the next attendance will not come. It's okay. Okay. So this records fetch up to, it will show the last attendance record time which is available in the machine, and last successful run, because every minute system is running, system is getting the data, system is trying to get the data from the machine. So this will be the last successful run date and time. Why it is showing the sometime 4:14, some 4:03, but some 5:30. So it means machine are off. It means some machines are off.
Some machines are not working or maybe off, or net on. These machines are not on network at that.
It means these all times should be the current time, approx. Current time. If not, it means the machine are off.
Our system will run on 12-hour basis and fetch up to 24-hour basis.
But it should so like this. This should show why.
And all are the date 19.
14 to
No.
12 and 24.
But all are the 19 data. Today's 20 date. So I think last successful run, this column is not showing the correct date and time. There is some issue here, I think.
We have resolved the issue about time.
No, so this need to be refreshed because
Okay.
this was the last screen open previously. And yesterday we opened this screen. Since then it is open, so it is not refreshed. Now it is showing the same. Now this machine like this machine last successfully got the data on 13/4. Since then it is off, or maybe it is not on network.
So it means all machines on should give the time 3:47.
Yes.
Why it's showing status is running?
Running means system is trying to, maybe they switch on the machine, then our utility will get the data. Running means our system is running for this
Get the data.
to get the data.
Our system service is running to get.
What's the difference between check active and status?
No,
Both are same.
This is not the status of the machine. We don't know about the machine.
Yes.
Machine actually off or on, we don't know. This service is on to get the data from the machine. Service is on.
Yes.
Yeah. So what's the difference between active check and status? Both are same.
No.
No. Active means if you want to active this machine, this IP, that utility can get data then mark this as active. If you don't want, for example, this machine is not working and you know about that, so you can unmark this. Now utility will not get the data from this IP. Active means
So any
must,
active will be running, any inactive will be stopped, right?
yes, exactly. And it you can see here, for example, the first one is inactive. There is no running. The status is stop.
But after doing the active or deactive, you will have to restart the Windows service. It is available up
Yes,
the button.
exactly.
Because it will take the impact after restarting. Otherwise, active flag will not work. After restarting, system will update or will show the current status, which service is running or which is stopped individually for each machine.
Okay.
Okay.
One more column we provided here: in flag and out flag. Many machines, or maybe some machines we configure. This is the customizable. User can, when configure this machine, user can mark in flag and out flag in the machine. So utility we can mark which flag will represent to which flag. Yani, if it is marked 0 in the machine, then we can mark here that 0 means in flag and 1 means out flag. But if in the machine is during the configuration, if they mark I and O, then we should have to mention here the in flag and the out flag as I and O. And it is also the customizable according to machine.
But here, if we have defined wrong in and out, but in the machine there is something as defined for in and out. So what our system will do?
The system will not get the data from
Our system will get the data and mark the in.
At the moment. Yani, for this, especially in yani, a different client, we can mark it. For example, if we mark it for that all machines which are not in and out can mark in, then the system will mark in. But this is again customizable. If we mark that, then it will work. Otherwise, system will only recognize those flags which are available or which are mentioned in the
system will ignore all the other flags other than the 0 and 1 because we have defined here. Because in the machine there are multiple types of flags can be defined. This time for lunch 3, this time for dinner 4, like this. This time for break 5. So the physical machines can give the different flags, and if we will fetch. So we will only fetch the 0 and 1 flags records here. 0 we will consider for the in and 1 for consider for the out.
And other all we consider also mark as in.
And this setting also can be changed in the machine.
Okay. Log button is available for each machine. Log button is available for full status. Yes. Anything else? Yes. Okay. Now this is the end of the utility enhancement.
And mostly we have described the all new features we have given, but also some small features and many new fixation we have done in this alpha build 2. So you all are requested to see our release notes to more detail about our features. If any participants have any questions, so we can listen here and we can give the answer. Otherwise, we can find out the meeting.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.